Welcome back. So for the realistic eye painting, first I'm doing little outlining. Then I will put the first layer of skin, background, the eye and the eyebrow.
We going out, hanging out like we don't care. We are new honey party people. Ladies, they better get dressed. Like good vibes in our minds. Ain't nobody feels great.
Then I will do the darker shades of the skin and the eye.
Like how it feels. A little spice could be sweet when you know what you need. You are in my space. I hear the sound of your heels. I can't resist your tight dress and your pretty red lips. Just come on, say why. Could you promise me you're real? Maybe I'm just a little dry. Maybe you're just a dream. What's your name, little angel? Are you devil in disguise? Never mind, doesn't matter when I'm falling for your eyes.
I always use white color to blend more smooth texture. Now I will do the second layers on skin and on the eye.
In the flashing lights, don't recognize any face. If you want to know, I could find you some space. I leave the worry behind, don't need to think at all. Maybe you should feel your blood with some alcohol.
Remember, layering is very important for any kind of watercolor painting.
Brand new healing. See a smile on your face, like if you know what I'm feeling. Thinking, oh, for now, this time gonna be crazy. All the patterns on my mind go down and hazy. Light it up to the sky, let the universe know. Everybody getting high, just to go with the flow. No depression, no. Better jump on the ride. If you wanna be my lord, I'm ready to fight.
Now I'm doing the detailing on the eyeball.
This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
To make it more realistic, I am putting white dots on side areas, and also make sure you blend the edges of eyeball to make it look more real.
Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. dreams and secrets and forbidden bliss. Can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
For the eyebrow, first I will do sharp brush strokes with dark brown color, then I will put black colors for details.
Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating want. Lingering touch, these soft words whisper.
Let me know if you like this video or if it helps you for your artwork, or if you have any queries. Comment down or DM me on my social medias, links are in the description. If you are new here and like this video, subscribe this channel for more amazing artworks.
Fresh air. We going out, hanging out like we don't care. We are new body people, ladies, the better get dressed. A good vibes in our minds, ain't nobody feels real. I like a good bad boy. I know you like how it feels. A little spice could be sweet when you know what you need. You occupy my space, I hear the sound of your heels. I can't resist your tight dress and your fleety red lips. Just come on, say why. Could you promise me you're real? Maybe I'm just a little dry.
Follow us on our social medias, links are in the description.
Are you devil in disguise? Never mind, doesn't matter when I'm falling for eyes. In the flashing lights, don't recognize any face. If you want to know, I could find.
Thank you for watching this video and subscribe. Stay tuned.